How to fix Adobe Lightroom Classic for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Adobe Lightroom Classic on a Mac using a script file, you can follow these steps. 1. Open Text Edit or your preferred text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following commands into the text editor. #bin/bash #uninstall Adobe Lightroom Classic sudo rmrf/application/Adobe Lightroom Classic.app sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /develop presets sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /LensProfiles sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /LensProfilesAutoMatch sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /LocalCorrectionsPresets sudo rmrf/library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /presets sudo rmrf/library/caches /Adobe /Lightroom Classic sudo rmrf/library/preferences /Adobe /Lightroom Classic sudo rmrf/library/log /Adobe /Lightroom Classic sudo rmrf/user/shared /Adobe /Lightroom Classic sudo rmrf/user/your username /library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /develop presets sudo rmrf/user/ your username /library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /LensProfiles sudo rmrf/user/ your username /library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /LensProfilesAutoMatch sudo rmrf/user/ your username /library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /LocalCorrectionsPresets sudo rmrf/user/ your username /library/application support /Adobe /Lightroom Classic /presets sudo rmrf/user/ your username /library/caches /Adobe /Lightroom Classic sudo rmrf/user/ your username /library/preferences /Adobe /Lightroom Classic sudo rmrf/user/ your username /library/log /Adobe /Lightroom Classic sudo rmrf/user/ your username /pictures /Lightroom Classic notes. 1. Replace your username with your actual username on the computer. 2. Save the file with a name and a .sh extension, such as uninstall_lightroom_classic.sh. 3. Open terminal. 4. Navigate to the directory where the script file is saved using the cd command. 5. Make the script file executable by running the command mod +x uninstall_lightroom_classic.sh. 6. Run the script file by entering /uninstall_lightroom_classic.sh and follow any prompts that appear. Note that, for starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.